If you're running a business right now, especially in manufacturing engineering, you're probably feeling the strain. Costs are rising, supply chains disrupted, margins tight. Your team is stretched, personally you're time starved, you're also getting tired and stressed. The long-term prospects look hazy and the government isn't helping either. It seems no matter how hard you push, any progress you make is hard work and slow. Now, if that rings a bell, believe me, you're not alone. I'm seeing this story unfold all over the place. But here's the thing. The biggest danger isn't the economy, it's losing control of your business without realizing it's happening. Most MDs I meet are smart, committed, competent and hardworking. But too often, they're stuck in firefighting mode or endless sales work. They're trying to grow or fix things whilst overwhelmed by day-to-day pressures. And that is where the problem lies. They're working too much in the business and not on the business. As a result, they're blind to the early warning signs of deeper trouble until, of course, it's too late. It's so frustrating for me that I have recently watched 3 perfectly good companies go under simply because they did not have an operating system to enable them to see the truth in time, and they also resisted help. 3 other companies I know have gone out of business simply because they can no longer see the long-term prospects warrant the constant daily grind. They've basically given up. This is a great tragedy actually, especially as there is an antidote in the form of a powerful business improvement approach called Hoshin Kanri. In essence, Hoshin Kanri is what we term an enterprise operating system. First developed by Toyota, it helps you run your business in a way that gives you back control, restores clarity and focuses your team on doing what really matters. Used as an enterprise operating system, Hoshin Kanri helps you do a number of things all at the same time. Spot problems such as waste, confusion and risk early. Align your team so that every function and department works towards the same strategic goals. Rapid delivery of 30 to 50 business improvements simultaneously across the entire business. Reduce your personal stress and generate powerful employee engagement by sharing the load and ordering the chaos. Finally, it provides you with a sound platform for scaling up. I'm Jeremy Old and I'm a business coach and long-time facilitator of Hoshin Kanri business improvement programs. I've used this approach in over 55 businesses, and the system always works for the simple reason it cleverly exploits how human beings naturally like to function in groups. As examples, one £10 million a year print firm turned a £900,000 loss into £320,000 profit in just 1 year. Another client saw a 51% boost in employee productivity that transformed the usual net profit of $140,000 into $962,000 in 18 months. Look, the important thing is that these cases aren't flukes. It's what happens when you get everyone working towards the same clear direction using battle-tested business improvement tools. Although developed at Toyota and used by global companies such as Sony and Intel, Hoshin Kanri is still ideal for SMEs once you've grown to about £2 million turnover or over. It's particularly powerful for businesses that would benefit from energetic employee cooperation between departments and functions, for example in manufacturing and engineering. In my time, and that includes, I'm afraid, 3 recessions now, I've used Hoshin Kanri to turn around factories, shop fitters, printers, boat builders, even accountants. But my role isn't to give you a quick fix. No, it's about helping you build an enterprise operating system that rapidly transforms how you run the business, and that quickly translates into a transformation of the bottom line. If anything I've said strikes a chord, I invite you to watch the next video. It's about 15 minutes long and it gives you more